14 shoot. Dilan. Oy. Wala. Talos. Italio. Talio Suaro. Roxley. Wala. Ada pa rin. Now, 2 minutes and 1 second. In time. Penalty after free shot. No goal by number 28. Remaining time 555 seconds. 35% score. Buray. Speed kami yun. Nakabalin natin yun. Once again. Luis Talio. 1 minute and 35 seconds. Oy! Penalty situation by State Kutla. State Lassie. Remaining time 1:22. Penalty. Penalty. 1 minute and 22 seconds. No good. Number 25. Last 1 minute and 30 seconds. Last 1 minute and 15 seconds. By number 4. Penalty. Batangdan. Last 1 minute. Bunarin na sini. Ano ba italo? Good ball. One point by Israel. Score 37-20. 51 seconds remaining time. By Bonare. Bonare. Kinagawa. 2 points last 40 seconds. 40 seconds left. Steal by Bonare. Now penalty number 7. Westy. Second personal foul. Penalty. Last 30 seconds. Last 20 seconds. Pakdan. Tubulan putri. Makalah berhenti down. 2 points. Last 18 15 seconds. Drop in the field, good. Now 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time for the second quarter. Score 41-30. 41-30. 11 points lead by St. Ignacio Community. Into the third quarter. Ilalim to Bacala. Bacala. All right. Number 25. Mula na ito. Kaya, wala! Grabe na paano yan. Wala pa. Basagya. Second person on first team ball. More ba na Ada apa rin? Wala. Buray. Bacala. Bacala. Remaining time 6 minutes and 39 seconds. One point again by Bacala. Last 6 minutes and 35. Hindi natin luksanay. Wow! Salay Martin. Oh. Last 6 minutes and 15 seconds. At the last. In counted by 2 points. Last minute and 5. Push. Last Elusanan. Bah! 3 points by Elusanan. Ibubas. 2 points. Ay, Ibobo. After the shoot, Mr. Foul by 14. Number 15, second personal foul. Second free foul. Another point by Mr. Go. Talaga nasa go. Always go. Last 5 minutes and 20. Artigas jump shot. Ibagal post. Last 5 minutes. Pass to Mr. Go. Oh, steal by Artigas. Artigas on the way. Counted 2 points score. 1.4. Last 4 minutes and 40 seconds. Alley-oop by Ronaldo. Wala. Ibobo. Wala. Ito Artigas. 2 points. Wala. Last 4 minutes and 50 seconds. Reserve timeout by Classic. 14 to shoot. Good sign to Mr. Go. Striking also by the shot. Same Classic. Remaining time 0 to 58. Isa pa sa timeout, isa pa. First, isa sa timeout. Foul by number 20. Third team foul. First personal foul. Gusana again for 3. Rebound by Ronaldo. Set. Last 3 minutes and 20. Artigas. Junior also for 3. No good. Bye. Last 2 minutes and 50 seconds. Mr. Go, kumira ng tres. No good. Kapag minuto. Wow. Mr. Go. First personal foul, 13 foul. Remaining time, 2 minutes and 14 seconds. One point for 4:55:51. 4-point lead lang. Yung pabataw, last 2 minutes 13. Ay, yung pinaka-steam ay buwan. Alright! Goodbye! 2 points mo na lang. Tubo na rin. Backward violation. 2 minutes. Last 2 minutes 2 seconds. 5-3. 2 points lang. Last 1 minute 15. Tubakala. Logo di bawah bulan. 55 ball na. Bulan. Mr. Go! Nagamit sila. Ay! Lumaban ang Team Trooper. Last 1 minute and 1. 15 to shoot. Mr. Go! Galing. Inyoso. Last 1 minute. Looks like the points. Laban ng Troopers again. Ang state natin. Remaining time 53 seconds.
50 seconds. 50 seconds.
Seconds left. 3 seconds. 4:59:97 in favor of the class. Remaining time 53 seconds. 50 seconds. Luxana yung nasa puwano. Pinupuasa. Last 40 seconds. Silang yan yung Mr. Go. Last 20 seconds. What a stealing. Last 20 seconds. You can shoot. Bumundari. Lumar kay Bumundari. Last 5 seconds. Good personal foul. 3 seconds left. 3 seconds. 3 seconds left. 1 point. 3 seconds. Three. End of the third quarter. Score 63-58. Nakakataon pa na sa industry. Last quarter, fourth quarter na. Buray. Lulod. Ibang idea. Ay! Nagkalimutan. Bakala! Tubo ang Bakala. Baburay. Fourth quarter na foul by Buray. First team foul. Marnie Pagkakas. Usap. Lahat. Pagkakas. Hintay lang yan. Iwala! Bakala! Wala! Bakala! Mr. Go! Ampunan! Third personal foul by Garcia. First team foul. Lapit to sa net. Serve. Last 5 minutes and 56 seconds. Dali Buray, Buray. Another point, another point. Last 40 seconds. Nabitawa mo namin. Huwag niya balik. Ang tigas. Ang tigas. Last time of the life. 5 minutes and 14. 55 minutes and 9 score. Diamond Saint Lucky. Yan naman, last time natin. Tulog pa yan, tulog. Tulog pa yan. Katawan ko tama, speed number. 5 minutes and 14 seconds. 5 minutes and 14 seconds. 5 minutes and 14 seconds. Sudalit. Lira lang grabe lang tayo lang siya. Grabe yung performance siguro. What a flat. Buray, Buray brothers. Last 40 seconds back. Drop na sila, drop. Ito shot. Ito shot. Wala. Jump ball. Substitution din sila, substitution. Drop. Take ball, position. Take yung bulang ina. Hindi mo lang rin nasa pinupper. 4 minutes and 17 seconds. Bye, Bangala. Second personal foul, second team foul. Second team foul pa. Last 4 minutes and 14 to shoot. Number 17. Fourth personal foul by Postos. One congratulations. Third team foul. Buray. Wala yung ring. Sobrang. Last 2 minutes and 20 seconds. Tumiskan ko. D-points. Wala rin pa ng batas. Wala rin pa ng batas. Parang tuburay. Uy, parang tuburay ito. Last 2 minutes and 10 seconds. Kapitawan ng bulang. Last 2 minutes 59. To take back. And that's why na, gagawin na. Gabit na sila magpapagyan. Wala na sila magpapagyan, gabit na. Quick pa sila ito. Last 2 minutes and 55 seconds. Last 2 minutes and 40. Seryoso for three. Rebound by Pospos. Last 2 minutes and 25 seconds. Ay, nakadikapit na naman. Hinayang ang bola. Last 2 minutes and 21 seconds. 2 minutes and 21. Hinayang ang bola. Turn out. Rebound natin yan. Down! One step was Liga. Last 1 minute and 59. Foul by number 91. Second personal foul for Simpa. 14 to shoot. 1 minute and 54. Pospos. Pinaliwan ng Pospos. Third time out from Clippers. Just 1 minute and 40 seconds. Time to shoot. Yes. Dito pa Artiga. Di pa sila na. No good. Muna ka lang ang kamadali na. Dito na lang dito buray. Tayo. 2 points. Last 1 minute and 2 seconds. Mr. Go, minali. 2 points. Artiga sa end. Ay, wala. Aris Ruben. Last time akala. Last 35 seconds. 30 seconds. Bora. Last 35 seconds. 20 seconds. 15. 9. Last player of the game, Artigas. Artigas, last player of the game. Congratulations, Team Troopers. Thank you, Maya. Team Bitis, right? Team Bitis.